it's your birthday. You could love my family without giving anything. Things that are precious will not be able to give you. I'll give you the mountain flowers. Don't be sad. I love you so much. Please live well for 1,000 years. Be my love forever. Whenever I have a day, I'll give you